Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic, so get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. Tips to young people looking to be entrepreneurs. Introduction. For many people, starting their own business is the ultimate professional objective. However, there will be a few challenges that stands in the way. The most notable ones being a lack of resources and expertise. According to a study by Small Business Trends, 82% of prosperous business owners said they had the training and expertise necessary to manage their enterprise. One of the challenges that many young entrepreneurs confront is being taken seriously by other experienced experts in their sector. It's common for even potential customers to find it challenging to trust a young, unproven business person with their tasks and demands. Yet, being old and having little experience need not be an impassable obstacle. Discover a market opportunity. This may seem like stating the obvious, but it's one of the best pieces of advice that are frequently disregarded, especially because the most common cause of startup failure is an incorrect assessment of the market's need. It's not about creating something new, but about doing something different when determining a gap that has to be addressed. And although your project must be financially successful, it should also be in line with your interest. When it comes to creating anything new, it may seem as though you are stuck in the mud, but determination and some creative thinking can lead to a breakthrough. You may also come up with an innovative concept by drawing on the knowledge you have gained from your personal experiences. Understand your target audience. Everyone will never be your audience. Finding the right demography for your product or service is essential, since there will always be one. You may better serve your target audience by understanding their goals, needs, habits, and attitudes through market research. Build a powerful network. It's critical to acknowledge the value and expertise everyone can provide to you and your company. From your instructors to your peers, use all the networking opportunities available, including conferences, seminars, internships, and coffee shop meetups. Just getting to know your peers on a casual basis can develop into a professional working relationship. It need not necessarily take place in a professional context. It is a great mix to surround oneself with a group of people who share your commitment, professionalism, and drive. Be prepared to make sacrifices. The concept of overnight success is unreal. Even the multi-million dollar firms that appear to appear overnight took numerous hours of toil before they began gathering media attention. If you look closely, most sudden achievements take a lot of time, as Steve Jobs once stated. It takes a lot of commitment to your ambition to become a great entrepreneur, which necessitates both time and financial sacrifices. It might not be easy to give up your weekend friends hangout or your nightly Netflix binge, but making these sacrifices is far simpler than waiting till you are older. Look for a mentor. You probably don't have all the knowledge and abilities necessary to run a business yet. Avoid attempting to make difficult business choices by yourself. As a result, one of the most important things a new entrepreneur can do is locate a mentor. Mentors can guide you ahead and help you make wiser business decisions since they have already traveled the same route. To make these important relationships, make use of alumni networks, conferences, and other resources. Conclusion. It may be exciting and difficult to launch your own business. The tips in this video will help you get off to a solid start in your entrepreneur adventure, even though you will face numerous challenges and failures along the way to success. Wish you all the best. I hope you enjoyed this video and the information was useful to you. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such videos of profound insights and our career conversations navigating success playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Until next time, Stay inspired and keep reaching the stars. Thank you.